Build your dream treehouse. Simple to assemble, safe, and very strong.
Dad! Dad! Come here! Look at this!
What is it, Tom? Is it a new robot again?
No! A house. In a tree.
Wow, that looks really awesome.
Can we get one?
Eva, did you see this?
See what?
Strong wood, easy to use tools, fun for the whole family.
It's huge.
It's a tree house. We can sleep inside it.
Sleep? In a tree?
Yes. With a blanket and pillows.
I always dreamed about one when I was young.
I know. Oh,
What is it?
it's very costly. And it's not only a toy.
Well, dreams usually cost money.
David,
I'm kidding. Mostly.
We can make it together.
What do you mean?
a treehouse.
In a tree?
Yes.
Men are just grown-up kids.
Hey, big kids know how to build things.
Please.
Please.
All right, but we do it together, and we do it safely.
Yes.
Can I help too?
Of course you can.
Is this the ladder?
Yes. And here is the window.
Why does it need a ladder?
Because it's high up.
Good question. The ladder helps us climb safely.
Is it strong enough?
It must be.
Strong things protect us.
Treehouse kit. They are larger than I expected.
You said it would be small.
I might have said medium.
What's inside?
Wood, screws, tools.
What is a screw? Is it like glue?
Stronger than glue.
What is that thing?
A hammer.
Can I try it?
You can hold it. I'll use it.
Megan, you can place the pillows here.
Why do we paint the wood?
To keep it safe from rain.
So it lasts longer.
Yes.
Can I draw on it?
Yes. Make it feel like yours.
Is it heavy?
Yes. Hold it tight.
Slowly. No hurry.
Okay. This is the big moment. It's holding.
It's real.
You did really well.
It's beautiful.
I think this room belongs to me.
I think this room belongs to me.
Where is my room then?
We share it. Sharing is more fun.
This tree feels special now.
Let's go down for now. Building this house made me very hungry.
Can we sleep here tonight?
Maybe.
Dad.
Is it morning already?
Listen.
That sounds better than an alarm.
Something is outside. Mom, Megan,
It's a bird.
And a nest.
Did we scare them away?
No, they came because this place feels safe.
Can they stay here?
This is their home too.
Looks like we have new neighbors.
Why do we give them water?
Everyone needs water. Birds too.
Like this.
Yes. Slowly.
We are helping them.
That's right.
Is this spot okay?
It's perfect
Why are more birds coming?
because they see others feel safe.
So safety grows.
Yes, it does.
Did you notice that
They like this place.
it looks different now?
It feels alive.
Yes, I don't care about birds. This project will bring money. Start the research.
A new entertainment park may be built here. That forest,
It's very close.
Is that our forest?
Let's go check tomorrow.
Why are there signs?
They are measuring the land.
Does that mean they will cut it down?
It means someone wants to change it.
What about the birds?
We will find a solution.
That's strange.
What is it?
These signs don't match.
What do you mean?
This map says it's a protected area.
So they can't build here.
They are not allowed to.
Then why are they here?
We must protect this place.
We're talking with people nearby. There may be changes in the forest.
I heard something on the news.
We're trying to understand what's happening. Hello. I wanted to talk about the forest.
I'm busy. Sorry.
We live close by. We're speaking with people who live near the forest.
I understand. I don't have answers yet.
That's fine.
Do you feel upset?
A bit.
What's on your mind?
What if we try to do something?
Something like what?
So people can really notice it.
Notice what exactly?
Why this place is important.
You woke up early again.
I couldn't rest.
Are you worried about the forest?
If they cut the trees, the birds will leave.
They will feel unsafe.
I don't want them to lose their home.
Me too.
They begin the survey today.
That was very quick.
Mom, can I show you an idea?
Of course.
If people see this, maybe they will understand better,
You care so much.
but they didn't listen before.
Maybe they didn't truly see it.
Then we help them see it now.
Okay. Let's try.
Is this part the roof?
Yes. This is a nail. It keeps everything together.
Is it strong enough?
Yes. The birds need to feel protected.
Okay.
Should I paint it softly?
Yes. so they feel calm. We're not asking for money. We only want to save the forest.
It's difficult to stop big companies.
It's even harder to lose what we love.
Mom, look.
They're so pretty.
I haven't seen so many birds for a long time.
Save our forest.
Is this okay?
It's simple and kind.
Sometimes simple words are stronger than loud ones.
Can we give them out tomorrow?
Yes. Together.
What is that noise?
Birds. Can we walk closer? They are not scared of us.
Please read this.
My daughter loves birds.
My children play here.
This place feels quiet. We don't want trouble. We want to protect our home.
They are coming.
Mom,
This area is under construction. Please step
Please stop.
back. You must go.
We have permission.
This is our forest. Our children play here.
Keep moving.
they live here.
Mom, I'm scared.
Please stop.
Sir, there are people here.
This is legal. We are building for development.
That's the mayor.
Stop everything. Right. Now. This project is canceled.
This forest is protected land.
You're right. That is the mayor. Stop the project immediately. Yes. All machines must leave this area.
They're safe now.
Yes.
Thank you. Sometimes we forget what is truly important. You did the right thing.
I was afraid,
So was I.
but I'm glad we tried.
Trying is important.
This house is special.
It changed more than just us.
It brought people closer.
Sometimes a small idea can change many things. When we care and stand together, we can protect what we love. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, stay with us for the next episode.